Hi, good morning.
Students, today we are going to discuss the main uses of internet. One, the internet helps you to search information on any topic. Google is an example for search engine. Internet is used to purchase various items from home. The bills can be paid online. Internet is the best medium to communicate instantly with people sitting at far off places. Our Google Meet classroom is an example for that. Next use, internet is used to send and receive messages using the email facility. Have you heard about email? Electronic mail. Next use, internet is used to play games online with different persons or players sitting at different parts of the world. In these lockdown days, you may be familiar with that. Internet is used to download songs and movies. From YouTube, you can select your favorite videos and you can download it to the computer by using internet. Next, internet is the biggest and cheapest medium for advertising products and services. By using Facebook or any other web pages like Google Chrome, you can advertise your craft ideas or any product by the help of our internet. Internet is used to see the latest news. Now, what are the main requirements for an internet connection? First of all, we should have a computer system. Then, a modem or a network card is needed. Third one, a company providing internet connection like BSNL. Fourth one, a telephone or cable line, and the last one, a software or web browser. Dear students, here we have completed our chapter. Now let us discuss the multiple choice questions. First one, a message sent or received through internet is an email. Second, internet is used to play online games. Third one, which of the following is not necessary for an internet connection? What is it? Camera. Now the exercise questions. Section A, quiz. What is the biggest network of computers called? What is it? That is known as internet. Second question, where do you type the address of website in a web browser? Where you will type? You will type it in the location bar. Who developed the World Wide Web? It is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Yeah. Now the multiple choice questions in the exercise section A. Two or more computers connected with each other is called computer network, isn't it? It is a computer network. Second question, we use dash to search information. We use internet to search information. A dash contains text, pictures, videos and animation. A web page contains text, pictures, videos and animations. So, the first question, what is the biggest network of computers called? That is Internet. Where do you type the address of website in a web browser? Location bar. Who developed the World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. Multiple choice questions. First question, answer computer network. Second, we use internet to search information. Third, a web page contains text, pictures, videos and animation. Now, the next page. Match the following. Internet. It is the network of computers across the world. Second, web page. It is an electronic page of a website. www is the largest collection of information on internet. Web browser lets you view different websites. Now the next, rearrange the following jumbled letters to make meaningful words. First one, what is it? It's NETWORK. What is it? Network. 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 Second one, INTERNET. That is Internet. INTERNET. Third one, WEBSITE. 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 Fourth one, browser. 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 The last one, modem. 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 Dear friends, here we have completed our chapter. Please try to complete your notes from the docs file. Thank you.